Most passive income content online is either outdated, unrealistic, or just trying to sell you a course. Here are 5 that are real, legal, and available to any American starting with almost nothing. Dividend stocks and ETFs. Buy dividend-paying stocks or ETFs like SCHD and get paid every quarter just for holding them. SCHD currently yields around 3.5% annually. $10,000 invested pays you roughly $350 a year in cash, automatically deposited into your account. The dividend grows every year as companies raise their payouts, reinvest it, and the compounding accelerates. High-yield savings account. Park your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account, earning 4 to 5% interest. Your money is FDIC insured, fully liquid, and earning while it sits there. It's not glamorous, but $10,000 in a HISA earns $400, $500 a year for doing absolutely nothing. That's passive income with zero risk. Real estate crowdfunding. You don't need $200,000 to invest in real estate. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects starting at $10. You earn rental income and property appreciation without owning or managing anything. Average returns have been 8 to 12% annually. Link in the description. Digital products. Create something once, a PDF guide, a Notion template, a spreadsheet, a Canva pack, and sell it forever on Gumroad or Etsy. No inventory, no shipping, no employees. $127, product sold 10 times a month, is $270 of passive income. Sold 100 times, $2,700. The work happens once. Index fund growth. The most underrated passive income stream. Just owning an S&P 500 index fund. $500 a month invested in VOO or FXAX for 20 years at historical 10%, average returns becomes over $380,000. You didn't pick stocks, you didn't manage anything, you just kept buying and waiting. This isn't exciting. That's exactly why it works. The truth about passive income, none of these are truly passive at the start. They all require upfront money, time, or both. But once they're running, dividends pay you while you sleep. Interest compounds daily. Digital products sell at 3 a.m. Start one, build it, then start the next. Pick one idea from this list. Start this week, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.